Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all guys are fine. Today I'm going to make 0 to 3 months baby socks. Let's get started. I have used 3 ply yarn and crochet hook size is 2.5. First of all, we will make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, we will make 12 double crochet. I have made 12 double crochet. Pull this yarn tail and close the magic ring. Now we will make slip stitch. Make 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch. 3 chains will be count as a 1 double crochet. Now we will make 23 double crochet. At the end of this row we will have 24 double crochet. 24 double crochet are done. Now we will make slip stitch. Make 1 chain and cut the white yarn. Now add pink yarn. Now make a knot like this. Make 3 chains. Make double crochet in each stitch. 3 chains count as a 1 double crochet, so we will have to make 23 double crochet. Repeat the same procedure till the 5 rows. I have completed 5 rows. Now we will have to make heel area. Now add the white yarn again. Make 3 chains. We have to make 12 double crochet. 3 chains will be count as a 1 double crochet, so we will have to make 11 double crochet. I have completed 12 double crochet. Now start second row. Make 3 chains. I have to make 5 double crochet. 3 chains will be count as 1 double crochet and we will have to make 4 double crochet more. After making 5 double crochet, we will make 1 cluster crochet. In cluster crochet, we will make double crochet. When 2 loops remain on hook, we will make another double crochet. When 3 loops remain on the yarn, pull through the yarn in these 3 loops. This is called cluster crochet. Now we will make 5 double crochet. Now in the third row we will make 3 chains plus 3 double crochet. 3 chains will be count as 1 double crochet, 1 chain line and 3 double crochet will be count 4 double crochet. I have made 4 double crochet plus 2 cluster crochet and 4 double crochet again. Now I have completed this row. Now make 1 chain, cut the white yarn. Now sew this white part like this, not like this. Sew it with yarn needle. Now our heel part is ready here. Now we will have to make 2 double crochet in each wide stitch. Start with 3 chains plus 1 double crochet. 3 chains will be count as 1 double crochet. Don't miss this mid stitch. We have completed white part, and in the pink part we have to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Now in next 4 lines we will make double crochet in each stitch. After making 4 lines we will add white yarn again. Make 3 chains. Now again we have to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I have completed this row. Make 3 chains. Now we will make post crochet. 1 crochet make from the front side and 1 from the back side. This is called post crochet. Complete 2 rows like this. Two rows are completed. Our sock is ready now. This is one of the easiest ways of making socks. Today's video ends here. Like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.